Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 115 Carlton Hill in Hampton. Now, this detached bungalow has been finished throughout to a very high standard, giving you a really nice, easy option to move straight into and enjoy. We've got 3 double bedrooms and the modern bath and shower room here. Fantastic open planned kitchen, living and dining space through to the rear with direct access out onto the garden. We've got the separate utility room here. The kitchen comes with a full range of fitted appliances, and you've got the integral garage access as well, with plenty of off-road parking on the front driveway. The garden itself is a really good size and comes with a decked area, perfect for outdoor entertaining, and location is key with this one, as you are within walking distance to the seafront at Hampton, the town centre in the other direction, and you've got some local shops and the very popular Hampton Inn pub just around the corner as well. So we've gone through and taken a look at the bedroom spaces here, 3 doubles in total. Front bedroom is currently being laid out as a second reception area, again just showing the versatility in the property. We've then got, of course, the main family bathroom, and into the main reception spaces here at the rear, we've got that beautiful modern kitchen with the utility room there and the integral access into the garage. We're going to head out into the back garden in just a moment, and on our way we're just going to run through a couple of the property's key points before wrapping up today's video tour. So this is number 115 Carlton Hill in Hampton, Herne Bay, a detached bungalow offering 3 double bedrooms with a modern finish throughout, with the main modern bathroom shower room, large open plan living space with that kitchen with a range of fitted appliances as well, integral access to the garage, utility room, and all of this with no forward chain. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.